So Pernod Ricard globally has been doing Responsible Day for 9 years. It's the one day of the year when all of our employees across our 85 affiliates stop doing their everyday job and come together and give back to the communities they're operating in. And this year the theme is circular economy. So the activities are based around trying to take products that would otherwise go to landfill, otherwise be waste, and repurpose them so that they have a new life and can be reused for parts of Hong Kong society. I think the employees love the day. It's a unique chance to spend time together, meet new people within the company, but also gives them a chance to give back to the community in which they're operating. They have a chance to do something which is active, which is hands-on, where they can see the product of their work and they feel that it makes a real impact into the lives of everyday people to create things that have a purpose and that can be used. So I think they're really excited and enthused by it. The feedback every year is always extremely positive.
個群體性好高啦，因為唔止就係香港咁，全世界各地，新加坡同事、美國嘅同事都有一齊參加。嗰兩樣嘢，第一個就係做一個玻璃樽啦，咁就用一啲玻璃碎片 upcycle 翻去做盞燈出嚟，咁就係俾啲有需要嘅小朋友啦。咁另外一個就係將一啲布碎整翻一張地氈，咁可以俾啲公公婆婆喺浴室度用。會留意自己個 consumption 啦，即係我盡量少製造廢料。咁如果有啲可以整翻嘅，譬如水樽啊，咁會盡量用多幾次。咁而家就更加有意思，可能係更加有系統性咁樣去做呢樣嘢。
打個報展啦，咁就其實我哋就係用一啲即係用過嘅 T 恤，咁跟住咧就將佢剪成碎條啦，咁跟住咧就喺上面織咯，整呢啲花。做呢個之前咧，我哋係做咗一個浴室用嘅地氈嘅，咁嗰個其實都幾好玩嘅，咁但係都即係感受到原來要做呢啲手作嘢咧，其實都真係要好有耐性、好有心機咯。咁都好 appreciate 即係啲製作人佢哋去即係落手落腳，自己一手一腳去做呢啲工藝。
We are taking today T-shirts that otherwise T-shirts or plastic bags and items that end up absolutely either in a landfill or things like plastic bags that end up in the ocean. Marine life will consume and then they actually end up on our plates. So it's really important that these don't end up in the wrong places, but they can be repurposed by weaving them into mats. The mats that we're weaving today will be donated to Impact Hong Kong, a local nonprofit that supports homeless people. These mats will be given to them to provide a little bit of extra warmth, and those that are made out of plastic can also give a little bit of moisture protection to people who are sleeping on the streets, and it can make a big difference to them, just to show that people care. There's a lot that individuals can do to make a difference. First thing I would say is when you're out and about at a restaurant, refuse. Don't accept a plastic cutlery or takeaway or straw. So try to refuse first thing. The second thing is really try to reduce your usage out and about. So if you're at the grocery store, make sure you bring some extra bags along. You can even now get vegetable bags that are reusable. So just really trying to get rid of that whole single use of anything. If you have to use a single-use bottle because it's the only thing available, don't throw it away. Make sure that you actually use it again and again so that it becomes multi-use.